So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once we're on this, we're going to find Microsoft Visual Studio. We're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I already have it uninstalled, so that's why it's not showing for me. But in your case, you want to scroll down this list and look for Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And then once you find that, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And now we're going to click on View and then click on Show. Make sure that you have hidden items ticked. So make sure that you're now showing your hidden items. Now we're going to double click on Users. You want to click on your username. And we should now be seeing a folder called .vs code. So now once you find .vs code, you just want to delete this. And now once that's been deleted, you can now empty out your recycle bin on your desktop. We're just going to right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then that's how you do it.